Hello viewers, welcome to WatchCenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio analog watch in black leather strap and black dial. It's a numeric dial and come with the date option. It's a budget range watch from Casio. It's a quartz watch. This is the complete length of the watch. And this is the side view, and this is the back side. It's a Casio Japan movement, water resistant, stainless steel back, and the model number of this watch is MTP V002L 1B. There's a model number, and 2784 is the serial number of the watch. So viewers, it's a pretty attractive watch. It's a very basic analog watch. Come with a date option. Dial is numeric, so you can easily check the time. And there's a middle knob, and with this middle knob basically you can adjust the time and also the date. So to adjust the date, you need to pull it up once and move it counterclockwise, and the date will change. To adjust the time, you need to pull it up one more time and you can adjust the time. So the settings are pretty basic. This is how you set the time and date of analog watches. So viewers, it's a pretty decent watch, budget range. We will try this watch on the wrist. And also we will check the weight of the watch. It's a pretty lightweight. We will check the exact weight in gram. But first of all, let's try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, this is how it looks. It's a pretty attractive watch. Looks pretty on the wrist. It's a leather strap, genuine leather, genuine watch. Let's check the weight of the watch in gram. Weight of the watch is 44.2 gram. So it's pretty lightweight watch. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan on our online watch store, WatchCenter.pk. And also you can book your order via WhatsApp 031022333484. International customer, please check description of this video as we have mentioned where you can order this watch outside Pakistan. And viewers, also subscribe to our YouTube channel, WatchCenter.pk, to get notification of video reviews of watches and deals and promotion. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.